Atisai begins from the north end. Plenty of bounce, movement. Down leg. Well, the keeper did very well to get a hand on it. Oh, top edge. That's a little cruel. Plenty of pace on that delivery. Again, angling down leg. Nobody there. That's going to be another boundary.
The possibility, but this time it goes for a big one, a super six. Try to keep his length online, and there he goes. This batter wanted to go big one. A fielder was ready in the long off position. An easy picking. That's the first wicket.
Look at that shot.
In the air, but no worries at all.
Very energetic for sure. And taken. Wrong part of the bat. It was a reasonably quick delivery.
Taken. Sanjay Yadav starts with a wicket and the captain's stay has come to an end.
Bashes it and gets so much of it.
Bat speed, yes. Distance, no. Fielder pouches it to perfection. He was fueled by self-belief halfway through and completes the catch. It's a dream start for Sanjay Yadav. The captain wanted that 200 at the toss as well when he said he wants to bat first. He's found the gap. He's done well.
Pulled. There's a fielder waiting. That's the fifth wicket. This is the icing on the cake for Anthony Das, who gets a wicket of the final delivery of his spell. As the SKM Salem Spartans slump further, they've lost half their side now.
Run out chance. That should be Curtains, maybe. Not a direct hit. Did he have control of the ball? J. Suresh Kumar. Yeah, no hesitation. Out. He had the ball under control.
Top edge. The wicket keeper will take that catch. Finally, Eswaran gets a wicket. His previous over was an economical one a few overs ago, and that had created a setup for his partner.
This time it was quicker and nicely hit. Lot of height. Lot of height. Oh, it's gone for six. He's picked up a wicket and his release point is a lot more from the side like he usually used to do.
He's lofted that. Doesn't have the strength to beat the fielder. They will go for two. The bullet arm. Has Karthik made it home?
Definitely he will go up. No doubt about that rocket throw.
Inside edges that one. Will he have a shy at the stumps? Doesn't. One run to finish. It's been an exceptional last over. Rajkumar gets off the mark for his ball as Ajit Ram starts proceedings and makes room. Smash that over the covers. That will be the first boundary of the innings. Strays onto the pads. That's been slog swept. Dances down the track. How beautifully has he guided that past Poya Mori to start a new over. And has he got a wicket first ball? He's held on somehow. He dived forward, juggled the ball, but somehow he's managed to keep it off the ground. Suresh has to go. You just spoke about execution. Smashed away.
Thick outside edge. That's got to be a 4 as well. But that was in the slot and it didn't deserve to stay on the ground. In the gap once again. Big chase with the fielder. But that's going to be a 4.
Good evening of cricket. Again worked it over Square leg, the fielder.
And usually, there a run out opportunity, or even could run another one. Well, this is all getting bad to us. But it's a clever mix, Arun, of when do we go hard. Is that his 50? Oh, Rajkumar, well done, striking at 156.
And finally a wicket for Ajit Ram and the SKM Salem Spartans. A sense of resignation in the faces of everyone concerned over there. Ajit Ram barely celebrating.
Goes big again, this time on the onside, but straight to the fielder. Could there be a twist in the tail? Karthik takes this quite easily. And it's success at last for Rahil Shah. Oh, that's a lovely shot. Although the spinners made the most of it. This is well struck. This will be 6 more. Now just a boundary hit away. Their next match on Monday pits them against the Madurai Panthers. But for the moment, this will be game, set and match for Trichy Grand Cholas.